How to download all your Snapchat memories at once. Snapchat allows you to download all your memories, including photos and videos, in one go. Here's how to do it. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up your settings. Now scroll down and here you will find the option of My Data at the bottom. Select that. Now, over here you want to toggle on the option Export Your Memory. Tap on Request Only Memories option. Now select the date range. Then tap on the Submit option. Now, as you can see here, it says In Progress. So you need to wait for some time. Once it has been completed, you'll receive an email. Simply head over to your email once you receive it. There you will find a link to download your memories file. Simply choose Open with your default browser to proceed. The downloaded file will be a zip file. Unzip it and open the HTML file. Find the memory history file where all your memories are stored. Now click Download All Memories to save them to your device. From there you can easily view all of your memories, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.